How to enable notifications on Ring app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Ring app. You will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top left corner, you're going to find 3 bars. Click on it. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of Control Center. Now head towards the option of Notification Preferences. Click on that. Now here you're going to find this option of Emails from Ring. Click on that. Then enable for all these options, new products, new app and product features, educational tutorials, offers and promotions and all these. Then you can head back. Then click on the option of mobile, push notifications, enable for all these options. Once you enable for all these options, you have just enabled notifications for the Ring app. Likewise, you can close this. Launch your settings app, scroll down, find the app Ring. Now open this option of notifications and enable for this option of allow notifications. Just for that, you have enabled notifications for the Ring app. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.